Hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at Avon Park Flying Field and we're going to take up a nice evening flight here with the Carbon Cessna 150 by e-flite. Now bear with me, I'm having problems with my front nose gear. So, there. But that's not going to keep me from flying. I'm running a Connexus 150. Sorry, a Connexus 6-cell 5,000 milliamp pack. Well, that's a pretty bird, isn't it? Oh, that is one beautiful bird. I'm running around on basically half throttle right now, maybe a little more than half. Let's see if we can't bring her in for a landing, not mess up that nose gear. Trying to take it easy on her. Well, that's pretty against that sunset, isn't it?
Time remaining 4 minutes.
There we go. There we go. I'll show you what I mean here. We get her turned around. Watch that nose gear. Look for the lights and look straight down. And you can see it's kind of wobbly. See how wobbly that is? Yeah, I gotta go in there and tighten that up. But you have to kind of disassemble the front end for that. So, all right, we're gonna take off this time with no takeoff flaps. Just power right on out of it there. Now I know that's not scale, but I was trying to limit the amount of time I'm on that front gear. Make a nice, slow, low pass here. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful bird, beautiful bird. Nice coordinated turn there with my flaps all the way down. All right, folks, let's go ahead and land this bird. And we're gonna kind of have to make some shorter flights now, because I'm running out of daylight. And in Florida this time of the day, you are a buffet for the bugs. Let your mains come down. There we go. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, folks, that is, well, you know what? You know I'm going to do it. Let's do one more time. One more time. You know I got to. No flaps. Yeah. Powered right on out. Oh, I like them lights, boy. Can really see them now. All right. Coming right at me, boy, I can see that light. Get her nice and level. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call it quits on this plane. I'm gonna hurt that. Do more damage. Don't want to do any more damage than I've already done to it. So, yeah, that front wheel just a wobbling. All right, folks. So anyways, that's the Carbon Cessna 150 by e-flite. Great plane. I think she's on sale right now at Horizon Hobby. I think you get like 40 bucks off or something. So thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless. Hug your family.